Well, Florida is the next state in line to push against the critical race theory. Ron DeSantis announced the Florida State Board of Education had passed a rule to ban public schools from learning about the critical race theory. This means teachers are banned from using it in public school curriculums. Conservative states across the US have joined the movement to stop students from learning the controversial civil movement. The critical race theory, of course, is the teachings that the United States was founded on racism and that white supremacy is seeped into the nation. Idaho, Arkansas, Louisiana, Tennessee are some of the states that have banned, while other states are still waiting for final sign-off. Ron DeSantis said he wanted to prevent educators teaching kids to hate their country. The Florida governor tweeted, "Florida's education system exists to create opportunity for our children. Critical race theory teaches kids to hate our country and to hate each other. It is state-sanctioned racism and has no place in Florida schools."